Well, what is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Well, first off, I know it's been a hot minute since I posted another video. Just the weather has been on and off with rain, and it's just been very, very hot, so it's been kind of hard to get out in the water. Second of all, today my dad and I are going to take a rowboat out and just do some multi-species fishing. So it's pretty much going to be a video of me and my dad on a rowboat. We had some rain that came by earlier, and it's starting to clear up now. If we do happen to catch some walleyes, we'll probably bring some back. We'll see. Right now, let's go fishing. We are off. Just like that. Got the Lindy rig on here. Just gonna leave it set up like that. Yeah. Need me to reel up my lines? Hand me in that if you need it.
I don't know if you need it right here, just in case. Might be a wallet if he hasn't tried to surf it.
No. You either got a wall.
Oh.
Just let it see what you got.
Pike.
Oh yeah, it's a pike.
Okay.
There we go. A little guy.
I'll take it.
Hold it up. Nice. There you go. First fish of the day. There it goes. Woo!
Nice and easily let him go.
You need me to net the guy, or are you good? You're gonna try to bring him in the
I
boat?
want to see how big it is so I can see if I need to net him.
Let me know.
Oh, he's a fatty. I forgot to I had the anchor out. Oh, it's barely hooked, huh?
Yeah. You might be able to throw him up here really fast. Ooh, that's risky. Woo! Look at that. Let me see if I can double up with you really quick here. All right. Nice fish.
All right, sorry.
What you get? Yep. Nice.
There's a fat one.
Almost like that Sixth Sense lure or whatever the hell it is. And he's running. See him go?
He's coming out. Come up for a fucking jump. There it goes.
Nice. I think I got a pike. Finally, guys, on the board. Oh, it's a nice bass. I think so. Wow. Oh, we gotta be careful here.
You want my things? Come on.
That is a tank, fellas. All right, I'm gonna release this guy back in the water. I can barely get my hand on. There we go. Whew. Nice. I guess the 6th sense does the job. Well, guys, I just made it back to shore and it is downpouring right now. Had a great time out fishing on the rowboat with my dad, even though I did not do so well out there. Only able to hook one fish today. At least I didn't come back skunked, which is good. Other than that, my dad did pretty well out there. Caught at least 4 fish while we were on the boat. So had a good time overall. So but I think that is going to wrap for this video, guys. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.